Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alisia.B, and as usual, I let myself marinate a little bit too long. Okay guys, like look at this. This is my flexi rod hairstyle that I showed you guys I think a couple videos back, and now I just let it marinate a little bit too long, and now we need to do some serious self-care. So what I'm about to do, I think I've had this in for about a week and a half, and as you guys can see, the curls are still kind of in there, just stretched out. So the curls held up, like the style held up pretty well. I'm pretty surprised, but I think it's time. Okay, it's time. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go wash my hair, and I'll see you guys back in a few seconds because we need to get something done. We need to get something done. And do you guys see the skin? Yeah, if you guys want me to drop my skincare routine, let me know down below. But for now, let's just go wash this hair. Okay, so my hair is washed. Oh, nothing feels better than a good wash. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna do a quick hairstyle. I do have a U-part wig here. I'm just gonna style it, refresh it and everything. And let's see how this turns out because I haven't worn this wig in a while. I washed it. I think I'm gonna cut the ends because it looks kind of trashy. But yeah, let's see how it looks. Since we're not gonna silk press our hair this time, we don't need to put in the Bio Silk Serum. But I'm gonna be using the Bondi Boost Rapid Repair Serum. This, you guys saw me use it before with its shampoo and conditioner. Absolutely love it. And you guys know the OG Cream of Nature Argan Oil Blowout and Shine Cream. This will protect your hair and also give your hair that shine that everyone loves, okay? So these are my two products I'm choosing to use, as well as the Olaplex number 7, and I'm just gonna blow up my hair. I've actually wanted to try the unbrush because everyone I've seen with relaxed hair uses it, and I just want to see how it actually works because I know some people, like when I was natural, I used the Denman brush, and the Denman brush was like it was ripping out my hair. It was not the best brush to use, but now that I'm relaxed, I feel like the Denman brush is the best for me. So I'm wondering if you guys have ever used the unbrush. Let me know how you guys think about it because I really want something that will melt away these tangles, and I feel like whatever I see like people use it, it actually really works. So let me know what you think. Nothing feels better than freshly washed, blown out hair. We're gonna do a middle part for this this U-part wig. So we're just gonna keep it nice and minimal. We don't want too much of a leave out. Make sure it's in the middle. because I'm not pressing out my hair, I'm gonna put some products in it just to keep the moisture. So I'm gonna put the Restore and Repair Jamaican Black Castor Oil Leave Conditioner by As I Am. This bottle's almost done. I absolutely love As I Am products. I find they work really well with my hair. It's not like greasy or anything. It just makes my hair feel nice and moisturized. And I'm also gonna put some black castor oil in my hair as well, just to keep the strength up and moisturize, again sealing it in and just give it some growth. Like I told you guys before, if you guys have not seen my other video, I'm trying to get my hair to bra strap length by the end of the year. So anything that I need to do to get there, I'm gonna do it, okay? And make sure when you moisturize your hair, you focus on your ends, okay? The ends tend to be the driest part, just because it's further away from your scalp that produces natural oils. So you want to make sure that you get all that good moisture down to your ends. Since we're doing a U-part wig, you could opt out to actually braiding your hair down. I'm going to do a ponytail because it's faster and I got places to go. So just make sure that your ponytail is very flat and not puffy, because if it's puffy, it's going to show underneath the wig and then the wig's not going to sit right. Okay, so if you tend to do ponytails, just make sure that the ponytail is nice and slicked down and flat like this as much as possible, and then you should be okay. This is a wig. We're going to put it on, see how it looks, and probably just add some loose curls to it just to give a little bit more body, and let's see how it turns out. I think I should be okay. This wig is pretty good. Honestly, if you guys are tired of lace fronts, if it's too high. If you guys are tired of lace fronts, I highly suggest you guys try U-part wigs or even clip-ins. They are so much easier to use and it's such a game changer. Ever since I relaxed my hair, I have not touched a lace front wig, okay? I have not touched it and my hair has been thriving. And honestly, these clip-ins and the U-part wigs work so good for me, and it's so fast, so convenient. I could take them out at the end of the day. I could put it back in and nothing like goes into it. Honestly, all you have to do is just clip it and go about your business. And that's what I like about it. It's so convenient. So if you guys are having trouble, you don't even have to have relaxed hair, honestly, to do U-part wigs. If you guys are having trouble just using lace fronts in general, I highly suggest you guys try U-part wigs or clip-ins, and you guys will see how much of a game changer it is. It's so amazing. I absolutely love it. I'm never going back. Okay. So for the wig, I'm actually going to use a little bit of the BioSilk Silk Therapy serum. This is just going to give it a little bit of a shine that it needs, and also it's going to protect it from the heat. Because it's not my hair, I usually bump up the heat to like 380, 400, but you want to protect it still, right? So we're going to use a little bit of it. Okay. And just make sure the hair is protected, because buying hair, it is an investment. So you just want to make sure that you keep it as long as you can. And also put it on your hair because you're going to be pressing it out just to blend it in. So I'm going to be doing some flat iron curls. I love flat iron curls because they last longer, they're easier to do, they're so much faster. I just love the bounce it gives. So I'm going to start on one side. I usually start from the bottom and go up. I don't know why, there's no rhyme or reason, it's just what I do. I'm using actually the 1.5 inch plates, so we're going to see how that actually turns out. Okay.
If you ride with me, don't gotta work for the both of us. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the middle of. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry now, cause we stay in control in the middle of. Gotta
absolutely love it. Compare it. Yeah, hope you guys could see. Let me see, hold on. This side is like that. This side is like that. It's more flat, more defined. All right, let's do this side.
Both of us, I put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the name of love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry, no, cause we stay in control in the name of love. Ride with me, don't gotta worry for the both of us. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the name of love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry, no, cause we stay in control in the name of love.
I got the Shine Infusion Hair Shine Spray from Chai, however you guys pronounce it. We're going to put this in just to give the hair a little bit of a shine and a good finish. And this is how she looks. She looks so good. Here you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, this is the wig. So if you guys enjoyed this video and like this hairstyle, please don't forget to subscribe. And also I'll leave the details to this wig that I got down in the description box down below. Again, thank you guys so much for your support. I love you. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.